Hi, in today's session, RD with the students, I, Dr. Gayatri Dubey, Regional Director and Global Chief Operating Officer in the EduMall, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, is here with you all, my dear students. Today, I will be discussing on importance of JEE NEET in the EduMall, thought of the day, important historical dates, word of the day, why the students go to Russia for higher education, and one motivational story with its moral. Why JEE NEET preparation in the EduMall is important. So, the importance of JEE NEET preparation in the EduMall plays a very important role, and it has got a number of benefits. Let me tell you one by one. So, the first is expert faculty and mentorship. The EduMall brings together highly qualified JEE and NEET mentors who focus on deep conceptual understanding, problem solving skills and exam-oriented strategies, structured curriculum and smart learning. Students follow a well-designed syllabus with chapter-wise modules, daily practice questions, mock test, and regular doubt clearing sessions. Personalized guidance. The EduMall tracks every learner's performance through analytics and provides personalized feedback, study plans, and improvement strategies. Advanced digital learning tools, interactive videos, smart notes, AI-driven test series, and online-offline hybrid classes help students learn faster and more effectively. Foundation for studying engineering and medicine abroad. The EduMall also prepares students for pathways that connect JEE NEET preparation with admission opportunities in top global universities. Stress-free learning environment. Motivational sessions, student counseling, and a balanced study ecosystem ensures students remain confident throughout their preparation journey. Thus, your future starts here, the EduMall. Come and join the EduMall for your JEE NEET preparation. Thought of the day. Great things never come from comfort zones. The saying, great things never come from comfort zones, means that significant achievements, growth, and success only happen when you push past your usual boundaries and step into the unknown. It emphasizes that while a comfort zone is a safe and familiar place, staying there leads to stagnation, and real progress requires embracing challenges, taking risks, and developing new skills. So, always try to do hard work. Don't remain in your comfort zone, because in your comfort zone, you will not know about the unknown facts which are there in the environment. Once you come out of your comfort zone, you will work hard related to your profession or your class or your subjects which you are doing studies, and you will see that the fruitful time will come in the coming future. Let us see the important historical date, that is 9th December. So, today is 9th December. Let us see what is important. So, on 9th December 1946, India's Constituent Assembly holds its first meeting to draft the Constitution. On 9th December 2023, Champaran festival held at the Champanar Pavagad Archaeological Park. 9th December 1898, Belur Math, the headquarters of the Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission, was established near Kolkata by Swami Vivekanand. On 9th December 1979, the World Health Organization officially declared smallpox as having been permanently eradicated, a major milestone in global health history. Let us see the word of the day. And today's word is zealous. And the meaning is showing great enthusiasm and energy for something. Synonyms: enthusiastic, passionate, eager, earnest, vigorous, devoted, impassionate. Antonyms: apathetic, indifferent, unenthusiastic, dispassionate, calm, dull, passionless. Origin: the word zealous originates from the Greek word zelos, meaning ardor, eager, rivalry, emulsion, entering English via Latin, that is zealous, and Old French zèle. Entered English around the 1490s, describing someone full of strong, fervent interest or devotion. Let us see the sentence. So the sentence is, the zealous volunteers cleaned the entire park. Today you have learned one more word, that is zealous. Use this word in your communication and conversation. That will help you to progress in speaking English. Let us see why students go to Russia for higher education. The benefits of studying in Russia for higher education are affordability. The lower tuition fees and living expenses compared to the US, UK or Canada make it financially viable, with many scholarships and which are available there. Quality and recognition. Russian degrees are internationally recognized, with universities strong in medicine, technology, science and arts, providing globally competitive environment or education. Scholarship opportunities. The Russian government offers numerous scholarships covering tuition and living costs for foreign students. Wide range of courses, over 4,000 programs in medicine, engineering, IT, creative arts and a new fields like cyber psychology plus preparatory Russian language courses. Research and facilities. Access to high-tech labs, advanced research and strong global university collaborations. Cultural immersion. A chance to experience Russia's diverse culture, history and arts with affordable access to world-class performances. Ease of admission. Often a simpler and smoother admission process compared to other countries. Practical benefits. Affordable student housing, that is dormitories, discounted transport and access to student benefits. Popular fields of study are medicine, that is MBBS, engineering and IT, that is physics, geology and programming, arts, music and creative professions, natural sciences. Global study abroad helps students in making their career and take them to their destination. Come and join the mission and go to Russia to fulfill your dreams. Let us see the motivational story, and today's story is about the fisherman and the young man. A young man asked a fisherman why he didn't fish more to earn more money. The fisherman responded that he caught enough fish to feed his family and have a surplus for his needs. The young man then suggested he could work harder, catch more fish and sell them and use the extra money to buy a faster boat, which would allow him to catch even more fish and eventually move to the city, start a business and live a life of leisure. But the fisherman was satisfied. Whatever he earned, he used it in his daily routine life and he was leading a very happy life. So, the story illustrates that sometimes the most important thing is not about chasing more wealth, but finding contentment and purpose in your own life, making a living that works for you and you remain happy. So, think for a happy life. Don't chase money. Money will be there, small amount of money, that will also fulfill your dreams. But if you think about more money, then your life may not be at ease. So think that much amount of money which is required for your life, and that will give you happiness and peace of mind. So remember our website www.theedumall.com and our address 229 The EduMall, Sulish Solitaire Building, Kudasan, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The EduMall, discover, learn, succeed, transforming your education. We are there to help you out in whatever way you want to make your career. Visit us. Till tomorrow, my farewell to you. Bye-bye.